how to allow WhatsApp group members to send messages. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. First thing first, move into your application WhatsApp. Make sure you are logged into a specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Simply move into the group chat that you want to enable the send message option. Once you're inside the group, first thing you should know that in order for you to change the settings, you should be the admin of the group. If you aren't the admin, then you will not be able to change any of the settings. So if you're one, click on this group icon. Scroll down and you'll see the option of group permissions. Tap on it. If the send new messages is toggled off, then simply turn it on. And then all of the members in the group will be able to send the message in the group chat. And then it'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.